Hello, good evening. It's been a long time since nag-update ako sa aking weight loss challenge or weight loss journey na hindi naman ako nag-lose ng weight. So here we are. Today is August 23, 2024 and it's already 10:30 in the evening. Okay? So here I have my weight before. That's 77.70. And today, my weight is 74.20. Okay, so I need to lose 10 kilos. And the time frame here is for 6 months to 1 year. Okay? So, kalma lang, pakunti-kunti lang kasi hindi naman siya healthy. Yung mga 1 kilos a month, ganon. Hindi naman kasi healthy yung biglaan na magwe-weight loss. Okay? So, ang current health condition natin, I have bronchial asthma. I have maintenance for hypertension. Okay, so I really need to lose weight. Another thing is I'm experiencing chest pain, which is hindi ko sinasabi sa ibang tao. Also, I'm feeling a pain dito um, sa ganung side ko. I don't know. Pag natutulog ako or pag sometimes parang, may kumikirot, may something. Ayun. And also, naglinis kasi ako ng mga documents ko eh. So, when I check there, meron pala akong laboratory results ng 2022 and 2023. So, for both years, I have the same health condition. I have enlarged fatty liver and may polyps ako sa gallbladder. Okay? And yun nga, yung triglycerides ko mataas. So, I'm having fats na sa akin. It means I am accumulating fats on my blood streams sa aking dugo. So, ano na din yun, contributor na din yun sa aking hypertension. Okay? So, now, ito po ang aking action plan, ang aking wishbone na gagawin natin. So, I'm not going to eat after 6 and hopefully, ma-minimize ko or ma-eradicate ko yung pag-intake ng rice and more on gulay na tayo for the healthy foods. Avoid sugary foods and liquids as much as possible. And of course, the meat, as much as possible, mag-avoid na tayo. Number 2, 8 glasses of water every day. Okay? And kapag gutom, iinom ng tubig. Okay? Number 3, leg up ng 20 minutes. So, this is kind of effective and madali lang gawin. Tataas mo lang yung paa mo eh. Okay, number 4, exercise. So, ang aking comfort exercise or ang aking piniling or yung gusto ko is the walking, jumping rope, and Zumba. Next, I'm going to take tea or lemon water. Not really, once a day is enough, I think. Ayun. So, ito po ang aking action plan. And according sa last year, nag-lose ako ng 3 kilos in a span of wala pang isang buwan. Nag-lose na agad ako ng 2.60 kilograms. And that's because of pumunta kami sa Kayangan Lake sa Palawan. So, that's 300 steps paakyat. So, kinaya ko naman siya. Hindi ako hinika. Pero kung hindi ako nagpapayat at hindi ako nag-jumping rope, hindi ko kakayaning umakyat dun. So, malaking tulong talaga tong nag-15 days fitness challenge ako. So, let's work hard, stay disciplined, and be patient. Your time will come. Okay? So, that's for 6 months to 1 year. Okay, ang goal natin ngayon ay mag-video log tayo every month to see our improvement. And i-push na natin to be. Kasi, di ba, consecutive 2 years na tayong ganun yung situation natin, yung health condition natin. And sa palala siya, kasi habang tumatagal, hindi nawawala yung chest pain. Nadadagdagan pa ng nasakit sa ilalim ng ano pa kaya next year. So, Instead na madagdagan pa yung nararamdaman natin sa katawan, wala pa tayong 40 years old be. Kailan ka pa kikilos? Ayun. And ayun nga yung issue ko. Sabi ko, Lord, wala pa akong work niyan, pero puyat na ako. Bata pa lang inaasikaso ko. Hindi na kaya ng powers ko mag-work. Give me a passive income, Lord. Dahil mga bagats pa lang yan. Partida pa yan. Hindi ko pa masyado kinakareer yung mga assignment ni Ryan. Buti na lang may tutor. Tiring. Pero lalaban tayo. Walang tutulong sa sarili ko kundi ako lang. Walang mag-exercise for my body except myself. So even though kanina sabi nila pumayat na daw ako. Okay, let's see what will happen for the next few months, okay? Go, go, go. Kaya natin to. Acha.